Hi everyone, in this video we're going to have a quick look at how we can install the R package on a university computer. So it'd be very different if you're working on your own laptop. I'm going to start by going to the software center where I can download pre-approved software from. I actually need to pick up two things. I need to pick up the R Foundation package and the RStudio package. Now, if I hadn't installed it already, I would then press a blue install button here. It would take a few minutes. It installs. Same thing for RStudio. See, I have it installed already, so I'm not going to uninstall it. But this is where you're going to go and download the two pieces of software. You must get both. Now, when I go into my Start menu, what you should find you have is RStudio, and RTools. R is the piece of software that actually does the mechanics and makes things work. The issue is it has a very old-fashioned interface. It's not very visual. It doesn't really make graphs or anything interesting. So what I need to do is actually work in RStudio. This is a much more user-friendly interface. It's much better at producing graphical outputs, and it's generally just that little bit better when it comes to econometrics. It does take a second to load up. That's absolutely fine. Now I'm just going to clear my environment because I've been using it before. So what you will see when you log on for the first time is you'll see something like this. Now the hard part is getting your data from Microsoft Excel into RStudio. The button to do it is a tiny one up here called Import Dataset. I'll take my data from Excel, and now I'll get a pop-up. If I hit Browse, I can go and find wherever the data is saved. I've noticed R can be quite funny about taking data directly from OneDrive. If you are having this issue, just take your data into the local downloads folder and pick it up from there. You can also plug a USB stick in if you have one, but they are rather old tech now. So now I've selected an Excel file. I've got a data preview that I'm pretty happy with. If I do have any dates, it would be good to just change the variable format to date while I'm here. Also, the name of the data object I'm about to create is given down here. I do not want to have to keep typing that out, so I'll just change that while I'm here. You'll see that actually this is just a code builder, so I'll hit import. Now I've got my data object into the R console. You can see the different variables that I have in the preview. I can just tab off that and I've got my top pane where I can start making my clean code. If you do want to just make sure that you have got this set up correctly, just type 2+2, hit run. You should get an answer in the bottom pane.